Look at her pretty coat. I mean, that is a shiny, beautiful coat. Yeah, she loves the winter coat. Right here, girl.
I can't tell with the pumpkin. Mom, look at the pumpkin.
Our buck. Nope.
I just see the white.
Our visiting buck. To be clear. This is Clementine.
Mama!
My sweet girl. You're so sweet.
Mama! The white one is laying an egg. The white one is going to the egg.
What is she being? She's being broody.
Broody. Mom, what does Dad mean when he said his nails?
Hooves.
Hills. I know hills is everybody who have hills like has more.
What other animal has hooves?
Like what we saw deer.
Deer, yeah. What other animal?
And chickens.
Chickens have hooves? They have the same kind of feet? Look.
Yeah.
Look at her feet and go look at the chicken's feet.
No.
No. What other animal has hooves?
I don't know. Mom, could we just go home now?
Maybe cows?
Yes.
Maybe horses?
Yes. Oh, horses for sure.
For sure. And what about sheep?
Not sure.
Stop eating.
Jacket is yuck. Blah. Jacket is
Lavender wants you to hug her.
No.
Look, Lavender keeps coming up to you wanting to cuddle with you.
Oh, she's not.
Yeah.
No, my little boy. I'm staying with you forever. Where are you going? Where's she bringing?
She's following
Where? Who is she following?
me.
Oh my God.